up, guys? Welcome back to the episode of Tuned Engines. Now today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and paint our 1971 Super Beetle. Alright guys, and just so y'all know, this video actually went ahead and recorded through like multiple days. So just so y'all know, in case y'all don't get confused about what's going on. But we're gonna go ahead and start from the very beginning of when we start sanding down this Beetle, and basically till the point where we're at today or right now. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, and I know what y'all might be thinking. Y'all gonna be thinking, hey Carlos, last time you painted a car, it came out crappy. Well, that's not the fact. We just put clear coat on it, but it came out alright. The green trail came out alright. But basically, we have a friend that's been painting for 40 years, and he's gonna be the one that's gonna be guiding us through this process and showing us all the little freaking tips and tricks and how like basically do the body work, because we're gonna leave it up to him to paint it. But yeah, so he's gonna be the one that's helping us and like giving us the stamp of approval. He's gonna be like, alright guys, what's up? So it's day 2 of trying to sand down the Super Beetle and like getting it ready for paint. Let me go ahead and show you what we actually went ahead and did last night for like around 5 hours. Alright guys, so basically we went ahead and did the hood. We still gotta come back with like some hand sandpaper, sand this down with by hand, since we weren't able to get the machine in there. We did both of the fenders, but we still gotta do the front. I gotta take off all of this right here. We did the whole roof, but we gotta come back with do this by hand. Let's see, we still have to do both of these doors, this fender right here, down there, still like the back bumper, this fender, and then like all of this by hand. But we went ahead and finished the doors on this side and also both of the fenders in the front. And I don't know guys, I think it has like a pretty cool design. And honestly guys, after sanding it and like this kind of like cool design came out, let me go ahead and show you. So basically like this like design came out because like we were trying to like get super smooth and everything, which is, it is super smooth, but it's just, you can see a little bit dirty, but super duper smooth. Your hand glides over like butter super easily. But yeah, this design looks pretty cool. And I was honestly thinking about like just putting some clear coat and calling it good, but you know, I was like, wait, might as well just finish this whole car since we're already doing all this work for it. Alright guys, so right now we're actually gonna go ahead and take off like the side steps, the lights, the front bumper, and some other stuff that's in the way right now, so we can go ahead and keep on sanding it more. Then after that, we're gonna get our friend to come back and tell us like, okay, you need to do this, you did a crappy job here, come on, redo this and this and this. So then we can get ready for primer. Then after primer, we're gonna go ahead and sand it one more time, then puts the base coat on. But for right now, we still have to keep on sanding a lot down. We're probably like 50% done, but we still gotta do a bunch of small stuff like take off all of this and sand under here. Just a bunch of work still. So we can go ahead and start this now. Alright guys, now with this, then we can go ahead and move to the other side and do the same exact thing, so we can remove these like little side steps right here. I'm actually surprised there's like no rust at all right here, but honestly this Beetle was perfect by, there's really no rust anywhere, or probably just a tiny bit right here. With some sanding, all of that will be gone. But yeah, let's go ahead and move to the other side. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start sanding down again. So let's go ahead and wait until like this builds up pressure, or the compressor builds up pressure, and we can start. Alright guys, so now with this fender off, we can go ahead and take it to our one of our co-workers named Gage. He's gonna go ahead and weld it for us with this TIG welding machine, because we don't have TIG. I only have a MIG and an arc welder, but we're gonna use some TIG to weld these little crutches. Alright guys, so now with this side done, we can go ahead and move to the other side, because we're actually gonna paint or prime this Beetle today. So you have to go ahead and take off this fender from the other side. But I don't know why the heck, but like these wheels are all cooked. Like this one's going out, that one's going in, and this one's going like out. What the heck is going on here? Alright guys, so I'm not sure where I can tell, but these are those disc brakes I was talking about. This car has everything. Alright guys, and this is how our Beetle looks like after all the fenders off. That looks super freaking funny, I swear. Actually, that looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. But yeah. So, basically, let me tell you what we have done to this point. Alright guys, let me go ahead and give y'all an update of what's going on. So as y'all can see, we basically have the whole Beetle strip, and we have everything sanded down. And the reason why we're doing that is because our friend, our mentor, has been helping us out through this process. He's actually gonna come in and put some primer on it today, but that'll be for like another later video, probably the next one. And then we're gonna go ahead and prime it and put the paint, and y'all will probably find out like the paint color the next video. I actually have it right here, it's ready to go, and I'll tell you how much it cost me to go ahead and get the paint, primer, and all that stuff you need. So basically, right now guys, the next step is we have to go ahead and put a bunch of paper and cover everything up that we want to get painted. And besides that, that's pretty much it. And in case you were wondering how long it took us, we started this last, I think it was Saturday. Yeah, last Saturday, like around like 9 p.m. Like, and today is next week Saturday. So technically, we've been doing this for a whole week, and we haven't been doing it all day. We've been doing like 2 or 3 hours after work. But as y'all can see, it still took a long time, especially these fenders, because we had to go ahead and weld them a little bit since like they were cracked. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to stay tuned for our next video, because that's when we're gonna go ahead and paint it and do all of that cool stuff and basically make this car look brand new again. But as y'all see, it's been a work in progress, but the results should be good. But as always guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more future content, and I'll see you on next time. On the next episode of Tuned Engines, we give the love bug the love it needs and make it come back to life.